Hello everybody and welcome back. I have some sad news that unfortunately I think we've all been waiting for. Breaking: body found in a tote at motel in Jasper, Texas has been positively identified as Samuel Olson. This is according to the Harris County Institute of Forensic Sciences. The cause of Samuel's death was homicidal violence with blunt head trauma. The manner is homicide, says the office. Tim Miller from Texas EchoSearch has also made a statement, and he was very involved in helping to find Samuel when it was still thought that he had been kidnapped. He actually was the first person to confront Teresa and tell her that she was lying, and I made a video about that yesterday. It's down below. So Tim says, update: our hearts are deeply wounded to learn that the young boy's body that was found cold-heartedly stuffed away in a storage box in Jasper in a Texas motel room has been positively identified as that of 6-year-old Samuel Olson. Medical professionals have ruled his death as homicide. It's obvious that Samuel suffered great pain, and there was nothing he could have done to excuse the monstrous, uncivilized, vicious brutality that he endured. There is no conceivable, believable, acceptable, or justifiable excuse for any adult to take the life of any child, especially that of an innocent, fun-loving 5-year-old. Our society is supposed to be more civilized, but this cruel murder of young Samuel is much like you would see in some undomesticated foreign country. But not our country. What kind of bizarre excuses will the offender or offenders claim in order to defend their cold-blooded, heartless actions? We pray that God wraps his arms around Samuel's family, his little friends, and all of those who sincerely love Samuel, and will miss him so immensely. We also ask that you keep the Houston Police Department investigators and the Texas EchoSearch members in your thoughts and your prayers, putting forth their most exhausting efforts to find Samuel while putting aside their own emotions and feelings in their tremendous efforts to find him. We know that Samuel is playing on his toy dinosaur as he rides on the wings of an angel in heaven. Wow, Tim Miller, you are a hero. And Samuel, happy birthday. I'm really sorry this happened to you, and I really hope you're resting in peace. All of us down here will get justice. We promise. I have questions.